Ooh, look who we have here. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all having a fantastic day as always. In today's video, it's not gonna be related to any of the cars. We're in fact gonna be talking about my backyard. Not really, but obviously, as you guys all know, I have not the biggest backyard, but you know, we have done quite a lot of things on this yard. We obviously have put this gazebo. We also have a pool table here. We had a jacuzzi right there, literally right there. We have a trampoline, and as you guys all know, these stones weren't here when we bought the house. Me and my stepfather actually put them on the house. I'm gonna try to find a picture of when the patio was stock, when it was grass everywhere, when none of these plants weren't here. So now we have been treating our plants really good. These plants will grow up. These are other plants that we gotta put on the edges of the house. We also bought a new drone. Well, I bought a new drone for my YouTube channel. We also gonna get some drone shots for the video, but that's not gonna be on today's video. In today's videos, you guys probably gonna be seeing me a lot cleaning, most likely all the patio, and then maybe at the end of today's video, I'll probably put a drone shot if I get the drone, because I don't have my drone yet. Oh, that's my dad cutting something right there. If you listen to that sound right there. But anyway, he stopped it. Well, now he started again. But like I said, on today's video, you're probably gonna see me all around. I'm gonna put my camera setup right here. Probably gonna see me all around, probably cleaning everything, because we do in fact have a sort of a party of doing a welcome baby, and also celebrating Mother's Day, because tomorrow's Mother's Day. So if you're a kid and you're watching my video right now, tell your mother that I said Happy Mother's Day. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If you do, please make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. And yeah, let's get my camera set up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse. Dude, check this out. Wow, it's brand new. It literally cost like over I think it was $500 or $4. Obviously, we got all the bulbs in here. Tomorrow in the party, we will be using this. Oh my God, look at that insect right there. But yeah, tomorrow we will be using this. Wow, this is really nice, I gotta admit. Really nice. But let's keep continuing with the time lapse. I still need to clean a few spots right here, and gotta clean that right there. I think we gotta clean somewhere here. I gotta open this up, and gotta clean this up, you know, leave it, get some air, and yeah, let's get with the time lapse, guys. guys all have been seeing, I did clean up as much as I can. The wind was not even helping me at all. But yeah, check out this 8-pool table. Yeah, it looks really damn sick. Tomorrow we will be using it. If you guys are wondering what is this, this is actually a seat for my baby brother. That is the same material as this. The same pillows, same material, and it just, this area is basically split in half and have something like this right here for my baby brother under the tree. Well, I don't think that's really safe actually, but yeah, I mean, I don't think the tree is gonna fall down his head, right? But yeah, but yeah, I have been cleaning pretty much now. I think it has been pretty much around 30 minutes, and yeah, check out this jacuzzi. Yeah, looks really sweet. Unfortunately, my camera is not waterproof, so I cannot stick it in there. Well, I'll probably get my GoPro, probably get a view under the water, but yeah, really dirty. There's actually a TV right here that my stepfather created. So this is a whole another tent. We actually bought this tent Sam's Club. And then, I'm sorry for the wind noise, guys. It's hell of a wind. Yeah, it's really windy. But like I said, my dad actually invented this. It's just two 4x4s, a panel, another 4x4 on the bottom, and yeah, that's pretty much it. What is holding the TV in place right in here, right there, as you guys can see. That's the TV, and yeah, that's actually really sweet. And yeah, and this is the table, the bar that my dad actually invented. Yeah, really sweet. Tomorrow in the morning we will take a really closer look. Yeah, you guys can clearly see it. We actually have a refrigerator under here. Yeah, pretty sweet, isn't it? What else? I like the trampoline. We don't have like nothing special in this house. You know, it did took a lot of work to create or to build my patio. But let me jump up here to get a nice view. Yeah, pretty sweet. I'm sorry again for the wind noise. It's super windy. Gotta get on here. Yeah, like I said, it's really windy. But yeah, you can take a big look right here. The trees looks absolutely phenomenal right there. Oh yeah, but if you want something that you actually want and like, just work for it and you will have it. Wow, it's so windy. I'm sorry if the audio of this camera is not catching, you know, my voice, because it's super windy. But like I said, if you want something, work for it, do the job, and you will have it. This is how we have my backyard. You know, a jacuzzi that costs over 15K. So yeah, not trying to flex, but like, you know, just saying, if you want something, work for it and you will have it. But yeah, work for something that you want. And now in today's video, like I said, we just starting this video like cleaning up. Almost like keep all the yard, not all the yard. My dad is actually doing it. The stairs, if you guys remember, the stairs weren't like this. The style of the actual stairs are like this right here. And when we bought the house, the stairs were like this, not like this, because we did that. But just saying, the stairs were like that. And yeah, it took pretty much a lot of work to do this, but you know what, if you want something, work for it. We also did paint the deck, and yeah, it does take a little bit of job. You do take a little bit of job, but oh god. With that being said, I gotta go and jump in here. I'm gonna do quite a tour on my house. This is the dinner table. That's where we have dinner when my family comes over. This is the kitchen. I know, not really clean, but we're cleaning it because tomorrow is a big day. We have Mother's Day party, sort of a party, and the welcome baby. Yeah, pretty sweet and big. This is also the bar that my stepfather actually built. Not all the bar. This actually, we bought this right here. We actually bought it, and that top panel. And my dad actually did this, the extensions, better say, he did that. He actually did this, the bottom part, and he did this kind of a bracket. That's what is holding the TV on the top and in the bottom, so you guys can see. And yeah, pretty sweet, isn't it? And there, of course, he has all his alcohol, and yeah, really cool. But yeah, fortunately I cannot drink none of that, not now. But with that being said, guys, yeah, I got a pretty nice house. This is not like a full tour on my house video, but yeah, I think it was pretty cool to show that to you guys. Now we're actually building a fence. I don't think in one of my latest videos, I think you guys saw them, the fence was only right into there. And then, like, quarantine, we got so bored, so we decided to start the fence again. We started right there. We had to do kind of a U-turn on each side right here to look this way, because the tree is like right behind it, right there. And yeah, so we actually ordered more of these panels. But unfortunately, because all this crap that is happening, we didn't have time to, well, now we didn't, but actually we ordered the panels. They actually canceled that order because where they make these fences, they are not making it anymore. Well, they will make it, but all these things are happening, they are not making it anymore. Into the next time, I don't know, I guess. But we actually building a gate right here. My uncle came down here and helped us. I'm sorry for the window. It's really windy, like I said. So yeah, if you guys probably cannot hear me, I'm so sorry, but yeah, I'm trying my best. I do have the wind protector on my camera, but yeah, oh well. Let's see what we can do with that. But yeah, I don't think I'm not doing a lot of action in this video. But let's see. Do I have a update? Well, like I said, we actually have my drone actually coming. It should be here in a few days, I guess. And we're actually gonna unbox my drone in this video. We're gonna actually have some drone shots on this video to see the performance on the drone. Yeah, it is a really sweet drone. Look at the wind. Oh god, that's really bad. But that's where I'm gonna end today's video. Oh, not really end it, but like end it for now for this clip. Cause yeah, I'm not gonna keep repeating the same thing over and over again. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the morning.